Morning guys, welcome back to another video. Bit late again today. I managed to get my morning workout in, I don't know how, because we overindulged on a few mojitos last night.
We did, they were quite strong, weren't
they? Were very strong, but dinner was great at Top Burger. We highly recommend it. It was so cheap, it's probably the most reasonable price thing we've found out here.
And they were good portion sizes as well.
Really good portion sizes, 2 burgers, 2 beers, sides, all for about 20 English pounds. But now,
it's time for brekkie.
And coffee. Cut the B-roll. That was an absolute fail. Breakfast there doesn't start till 9. So we're gonna have to walk all the way back to the hotel, sort out our Everglades trip for tomorrow, and then head back there and hope the kitchen's open. And we're booked. We're going to the Everglades, but guys, make sure you look around when booking, because it's quite hard to find ones that do like a really good hotel pickup. If not, you have to meet them somewhere, and it's very confusing.
Okay, breakfast take 2. Oh, we should have brought some sunglasses. Thank God we managed to book the tour. So top tip, make sure you have enough time to do it, because it was very stressful, wasn't it?
Book it way in advance, like not 24 hours, because they have to confirm the pickup spots and everything like that.
It's not yet confirmed with us, so
hopefully guys you'll see us in the Everglades and we'll be able to show you what that's all about tomorrow. Breakfast was done. The spot, that coffee has sorted me right out. But I think we're gonna go back to the hotel, get the drone out maybe, because I want to try it on the beach. I said I want to use the drone here at least once in Miami.
Yeah.
Before I go to the other places, just get my skills back on point. And then later on we're gonna head to the Wynwood Walls, which is meant to be a really cool, quirky area.
We're gonna try a drone again.
Let's hope I don't lose signal and I don't crash it.
And seagulls don't try and attack it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's lovely now. It was really cold this morning. And the sun's starting to get a bit warmer. The breeze is much less. So hopefully the drone will be fine in the air today. First successful drone flight in Miami. Very happy with that.
Very happy. I don't want to get it up again. I'm going to quit while I'm ahead, and hopefully it comes up all right. So yeah, footage looks okay. We've come back and checked it. It's not too bad, but I didn't want to take too many risks with it after it keeps disconnecting that in previous flights. But yeah, it's really good. So we're going to now go downstairs and order an Uber to the Wynwood Walls. I think it's about a 20-25 minute drive from Miami Beach, but the Uber's looking good because we've been getting the Uber pools, which means you might share it or you might have to walk a little bit, but it's like $5, which is like £3 for a 20-minute journey, which is really good. Okay,
so we've just ordered our Uber. We're waiting for it to be confirmed so that it can take us to Wynwood Walls. We just love this pool thing on Uber because it means that it's so much cheaper and you have a short walk, so you do get to see more than you would have if you got dropped right outside. So yeah, really excited to see that, and it's lovely weather, so chuffed with that. Here comes the Uber.
Hi mate. Yep.
Hello.
So we made it to Wynwood Walls, the Wynwood area. We're just off the main street now. A lot of the art is actually on just the streets, like the side roads and stuff like this, but this bit that we've come to here is the main bit full of all the murals and stuff like that. and it's so cool. It's all done by locals and it's just so impressive. So you come into like the centre bit of where all the murals are. We just come round with us. It's literally each wall has a different mural and they're all so good for pictures, aren't they?
It looks a bit like a maze though, doesn't it? Because there seems to be loads of ways in and out.
Yeah,
so cool.
This bit is really touristy, but you have to sort of wait for a picture on each one, which is annoying, but you can walk outside and the side streets and that have just as good art, I would say. The place just goes on for ages. We thought we were at the end of it in that first little square, but that first square inside it has like all murals and stuff inside, so you need to check that out. But then you keep following it through and there is just so many of all different things. You've got like a demon SpongeBob, a weird KFC guy. Little emojis over there. It's crazy. Like, I really like this one. It is literally like, this is like Banksy's back garden, isn't it? It's amazing. And it says these ones you can't go up to, so they're obviously like the higher quality one, I presume. Yeah. It's by a guy from Norway, but literally it looks amazing. It looks like a Banksy. It's so good. So it is amazing inside. Like the artwork is out of this world, and it is like I say, it's literally like Banksy's back garden, but it is very, very touristy. So if you head out, you can go off the main streets and into some of the side streets, and you can find really good art that I think not even artists, just anyone adds to it. Like the floor here is covered in all sorts of different art, and that it is so, so cool. But you can like head along. Molly even found a Barbie, so she was very happy. You can find like the perfect bit of artwork for your Instagram. Walking along now, walking along the main street, which is really cool as well. All the buildings along here, all the restaurants have art attached to them. It's not just the walls either, it's the floors. All the floors have got like stamps and stuff on them, which are really cute. Everything, there's like literally art everywhere. And all the restaurants, bars are like really, really quirky. It sort of reminds us a little bit of Brighton back home, but on a huge, much, much bigger scale. So just had to cool off, have a drink. We had a lovely Corona in a mojito bar. It was really, really nice in there. Maybe check out the side streets, like, because the side streets has got amazing art. And we were talking to someone in there, and apparently what happens each year, new bits are added to different spaces and bits are covered up on certain shops. So like the shop owner might come back and it'd be something different. And it's a completely new bit in the morning. But literally artists from all over the world flock here to do it, and it's become a huge, huge, huge symbol of the Miami culture. So this is why you come down the side streets. This mural behind me, if you can see it, is of an orca, and it was made to represent the freedom of all killer whales in captivity, especially in SeaWorld, where there is huge, huge issues in America, where some people believe they should, others believe they shouldn't be in captivity. And this one was actually made specifically for the killer whale Lolita, and on the top left there's actually a sign saying "Free Lolita." So hopefully that has happened. I'm not too sure if it has. So that was it, Wynwood. We absolutely loved it. Yeah, it is so good. So cool, and it is so different. I think there's 8,000 square meters of art. Oh my gosh. And it's not just that main bit, which is sort of segregated, but it's all free. Even that bit's free. So you cannot go wrong really coming here. It's a 20-minute drive from South Beach. Everything's completely free. Everything's completely cool. I think we're going to get an Uber back now because we're all arted out. I think we're going to go back to the hotel and draw a picture or something like that. Just a bit later in the day now. We absolutely loved Wynwood. We recommend it to everyone. But we've just been back to the room for a little while, editing a couple of videos, went up, chilled by the pool, not too much going on. But it's now 6 o'clock, so I've got to run downstairs and get that free wine. So I think we're going to bring it up. 2 free glasses of wine. Oh, they're huge. Huge. I think he used literally the whole bottle. Wine in a plastic cup. Still tastes the same. Still got this amazing view. But guys, I don't think, again, we're not too comfortable bringing the camera out in Miami. So I think I'm going to wrap the video up here again, guys. So remember, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Drop a like, drop a comment, and remember to keep on dabbling.